Volim da dolazim biciklom na posao, osjećam se slobodna. It's a way of life. I come home in the evening, I'm very stressed, I have a stressful job, and I do half an hour bike, and then I can start a new life. And in the morning, I'm like everyone, I get up and I'm like, and I go on my bike, and these 20 minutes to go to the office really wakes me up, and I arrive in the office and I have lots of energies. Vozim kroz park, slušam muziku ili francuski podcast, nema guzne, nema ludih ljudi, ja ne zagađujem. When people tell me about the winter and the bad weather, I say there is no bad weather, only bad equipment. When I talk about using my bike every day and going to work by bike, people often tell me, well, but yeah, I need to be very smart looking, I need to wear a suit, I need to wear high heels. And I'm telling people, well, I'm the head of the UN, I also need to be dressed properly. I wear high heels. These were my heels this morning. I'm very proud of this. And you can always put your shoes anyway in your bag. So I think this is, again, you know, people just have to try.